Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back again. Okay, so this is a very mini haul and you might have seen already. Okay, so I have just bought two products, but two products which are very close to my heart. This is a very mini haul, and these are the products which I've really wanted to buy from a very long time but have not got the chance. So I'm so happy that I have bought them finally and I can show it to you guys. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna start now. But before I get started, you guys need to subscribe to my channel, watch this video till the very end, and give it a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Also, I did a very subtle makeup today, which is very unlike me. So let's start. The first thing that I bought is this MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC35. So this has been on my wish list for a very long time. I wanted a high-end foundation, but you know, with me and foundation, the relationship has not been very good, and I have always bought a shade darker or a shade lighter than my skin tone. So I actually wanted the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. When I went to the mall to get my shade tested, what happened was that all the stores were closed. The Nykaa and the Sephora stores were closed, so I couldn't buy that particular foundation. Only the only store that was open was MAC, and so I went to MAC. I got my shade tested and I found this. So now I can just go on Foundation, the website, where you just type in your foundation shade and you get the similar shade in other ranges. Okay, now I'll just type NC35 and I'll get. That's why I have bought a mini. Okay, I did not go for a full size because I did not want this foundation. Although it looks beautiful, I have applied on my face today. I wanted a different I wanted the Born This Way foundation because it's really hydrating, and I have heard loads about it. The second thing I bought is this plum makeup remover. It's a really nice makeup remover, and that's all I can say about this. It's a really nice one and I wanted it from a very long time, so I got it. The Earth Rhythm one is at my sister's place, so I cannot really use that. So I bought a new one. Drum rolls for my next product, which I've been really excited. It'll cover the whole camera. Yes, this is the Dyson Airwrap, guys. This is the Dyson Airwrap. Yo, I can't show you. I really cannot show you. It has got a spot here. I really cannot avoid these spots. Because that cover is really nice, and you know, it will happen some or the other day, so I have to come to terms with the fact that it might have some stains, but it still will work very much nicely. So I remember the first time I watched a Dyson review was Tati's. If you don't know, she is a YouTuber based in the US. Okay, and she used it and she really did not like it, and she said it's not worth the money. And I was of the same opinion. How can a hair tool cost 40,000 almost? Actually 45 or 46,000, but I got it on a great discount from Myntra, guys. So if you go on Myntra, please, Myntra has a better discount than Amazon and Nykaa as of now, so please go ahead and buy it from Myntra. I think it's around 35,000. okay, that's how much I found it for. Okay, and this is the holiday edition, so you get more two brushes, which is this paddle brush over here, which is great. Again, you know my hair, oh, I love combing. Okay, and then you get a white tooth comb as well, which is inside. Okay, I'll be doing a detailed review, so do not have to worry about that. I'll be doing a detailed review of the product very soon. This is just a haul wherein I want to show, and I have used it today, so this is how it looks. The shade I went for is this navy blue and copper. Okay, so see, my hair is already there. Okay, navy blue and copper, because this is the holiday edition and looks absolutely stunning. The shade is so good, so I went for that. Let me just show you once. Okay, I'm so excited. hair definitely looks lot more bouncier, a lot more healthier when you use the Dyson. Like, look at the volume, look at the volume. My hair is anyway voluminous, and this just adds a lot of bounce. So I genuinely love this product till now. Not saying anything. Oh, not saying anything. Okay, so yeah, this was my really mini review. Just let me show you one small thing I got with MAC foundation. This was the Studio Fix, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is really good. I might go for the full size of this very soon. Okay, let's see, because I have a lot of fixing spray right now with me and I need to finish them. I do not want to purchase anything unless and until I really need it. I'm on like a, I don't want, like, much like Shreya Jain, she went on a no-buy spree right now. I watched her video. I went on a no-buy spree very long back in April. Okay, wherein I'll buy only things which I really badly need. Otherwise I'm not gonna buy, because I do not, firstly, it saves a lot of your money. That is the most important reason. Second important reason for me is the less you consume, the less they produce, and that's how we can save our planet. So yeah, please concentrate on the fact that, you know, you should not buy things just to show on Instagram or YouTube. Make sure you're finishing up all those products. If you cannot finish, please give it away. Okay, give it away to a friend, or do a giveaway wherein you are being honest, where, you know, we are being honest that these products have been used this much. In case you still want it, you can go ahead and purchase. Be honest, because I see many, I think that's called thrifting. Okay, I think thrift is only for clothes. For makeup, I don't know what's the term exactly, but yeah, do something of that sort on that line. Do not hoard on products, please. Okay, make someone else's life much better by not hoarding. Okay, so this is one very important lesson. And that's all for this video. I'll definitely make a detailed video about the Dyson and the makeup, the MAC as well, what's my opinion about that. I'll definitely make a video, because my skin type is different. It can have a different outcome, although I don't think so, but let's see. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and love you a lot. Bye bye.